perfect.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lanay, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us, and if you're back for more, thank you so much for subscribing and returning back to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with some people you know, and don't forget to press that bell so you can get notified every single time your girl drops a new video. Anyway, let's get right into it. Today's video is a hair review on this Bobbiano we got right now. You know what I'm saying? This song right here. It's the vibe for me, okay?
It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.
Y'all, I am loving this hair right now. If you guys can't tell, I'm loving it. If you follow me on Instagram and all my other social media, you guys have seen me in this hair for a couple of weeks now. I've actually had this hair for a couple of months now. I've had this hair since October. And I've been obsessed ever since. I've never really messed with like shorter hair, like bob hair, but now I'm like ridiculously obsessed, and it was so affordable. Shout out to MegaLook hair, because it was my first time trying out their hair. This is not a sponsored video. They did not give me this hair either. I actually purchased this hair with my own money, so this is like genuine, okay? You know it's coming from the heart, even though any other sponsored post or whatever, or gifted post, is always my real response. I've been obsessed with this hair since I've gotten it. It's actually transparent lace. It's not HD lace, because you guys know like HD lace is really hard to get your hands on right now. This lace is really nice, transparent lace. Today it's not the best install today, so back up a little bit. The install not the best today, but listen, I'm still gonna get this review out. I needed to get this video out for y'all, so I'm getting it out. I'm putting y'all on this nice affordable hair, so hop on it now before the price go up even further. I actually got put on this hair from another girl's YouTube video. I'll put the screenshot of the video up here. I tried out this hair, super affordable. The price actually went up, because when she got it, it was $37. When I got it, it was this much. The shipping was, but that really wasn't that bad. So y'all better hop on it real quick, because MegaLook hair is up and coming. Period. I love this hair. It's really bouncy. It gives me great movement. Not stiff ever. Easy to wash. Easy to care for. Not too much shedding. I don't mind if my waves shed, but it's not a lot of like excessive shedding. The lace was very easy to manipulate. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a pro. I do my hair from time to time, but I'm fairly new. This was probably me installing this hair on myself, was probably the second time I've ever installed a wig from scratch on my head, actually. So super duper crazy. Actually, yeah, it was the second time I actually installed a wig on myself from scratch, and this was amazing. I asked my friends, I called them and I was like, yo, look at this lace, bro. FaceTime me right now. I gotta show this off now. You know what? After my sister FaceTimed me and saw that, she was like, yo, send me the link right now. She ended up getting the hair too, and I'm putting a little clip right here of me and her in the same hair, which is so crazy. She ended up dyeing hers, which is another little tidbit I can tell you guys. This hair actually takes dye wonderfully. My sister dyed hers red, so if y'all want to dye the hair or change it up, y'all can. It's not gonna mess it up, and it takes well, and it's not like it's a partial blend. This is 100% human hair. And yeah, MegaLook hair. Ooh, y'all, I forgot the main thing. Girl, I got this off Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I'm telling you, you better stop sleeping on Amazon here. Get on Amazon.com and look for some wigs, girl. Affordable wigs. I'm putting y'all on. If y'all want to be put on some more, subscribe right now. Like this video so I can do more videos like this, because I promise you I'm gonna be searching and putting y'all on. I did research, y'all. I did the research, and I'm bringing it back to y'all and blessing y'all. Pick this up, write this down, get the link in the bio, get to it. Anyway, this hair came in 2 days. blessed me 2 days, and the supplies I needed. Ghost Bond, all that, Amazon.com. Matter of fact, Amazon, y'all need to sponsor your girl. You do. ASAP. No Rocky, but anyway, that's another story for another day. This hair is beautiful. It came cut like this. I got it in 12 inches. All of the information I put on the screen. Screenshot. This is kind of how I style it normally. Side part and then some curls to give it that volume. I love this style, but I also do a middle part sometimes and do it like straight down too. But I love this. This gives me like almost a silk press look. Who gonna tell me? Like the movement in this hair is really nice. Really nice. I would recommend this to a family member, which I have already. The lace blended into my skin tone perfectly. I actually tinted it with this even tinted lace tint, but it's actually a temporary lace tint. It's just like a spray and then it washes out easy. So I got this one from a local beauty supply store like this in the shade light warm brown, and it blended into my skin really well. Today I used Got To Be spray, and not even the good Got To Be spray. I used the yellow Got To Be spray to install it today, and it was super easy. This is how the lace is looking right now. My lace is looking right now, and mind y'all, this is after a while. Y'all look at the lace. Looks all right, and this was with that crunchy Got To Be spray, so y'all bear with me. And I think this is a yay for y'all. Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to follow your girl on all my other social media, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Only thing is I wish it was HD lace, but honestly it's a transparent lace you can really work with, and it has become a staple in my hair collection. Honestly, I really enjoy the bob look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And I think I'm gonna add some clips and videos of me wearing the bob throughout the last few months, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell so you can get notified every single time your girl drops a new video. Anyway, it's your girl Destiny Lanay, and I hope this video brightens your day. Peace. Like, get into it, get into the bob. But I think it looks really nice. Not jokers walking out in the middle of the bed. What you waiting for? You in my business? Don't.